Hi, my name is Mckenna and I'm a biology student at Walsh University. Woo. Today we are going to be looking at how to identify the invasive callery pear tree. This tree is in the family Rosaceae and its scientific name is Pear calleriana. So behind me we have a juvenile callery pear tree. It's a bit engulfed by some grapevines and other plants right now, but we'll be able to look at it closer here in a second. So one of the first identifying characteristics of this tree is its white flowers. Right now at this point in the season, they've already fallen and bloomed, so we won't get to smell that characteristic rotten fish smell that these flowers produce. However, if you look on the ground, you may be able to see some of the petals that have fallen off the tree from earlier this season. This tree is a bit too young to have produced any flowers or fruit this season, so we won't get to see any of that on this tree. Turning around here and looking at the whole tree here, we can see it's not super tall, maybe about 10 feet tall. Really slender stems right now, but you can see that smooth gray bark with the white lenticels in there. Let me zoom in. I'm not trying to get ate up by poison ivy down here and other ticks and stuff here. I'm at the F.A. Sieberling nature realm, so this is a bit off the beaten path here, but you can now look closer at these very glossy green smooth leaves. You can see they have this wavy texture on the edge, and if you look even closer you can see this very fine serration of the leaf that if you run your finger across you can actually feel it. Due to its invasive nature, the callery pear has actually been banned from being planted, sold, or grown in the state of Ohio. Despite this, you will still see them planted ornamentally in many public places, including neighborhoods like this, where you'll see rows of callery pear planted, those included. You'll also see them along streets or on college campuses, including our very own Walsh University and our close neighbor Malone University. We just recently discovered the invasive nature of this plant, which explains why you'll see them so often in public places still. But if you happen to have a callery pear planted in your yard, do what you can to remove it. Some counties have even offered a bounty now where they will exchange you your callery pear for a native tree to plant in your yard. I hope you guys learned something new. Bye-bye.